Okay, hi, my name is Abhiram Magina, and today we will be beginning our journey into the world of digital electronics. So to start out, we will be making an Autodesk Tinkercad account. And for those of you that are familiar with Autodesk Tinkercad, you will know that they're generally used to be making 3D digital designs. However, they do have some great features which allow us to build and design circuits, which we will be using throughout our journey. So to start out, let me log out. So for those of you that are new to the software, you will have to create a new account using the Join Now button, and you have to sign in with your Gmail. And I already have an account, so let me just sign in with my email and username and password. So once you've signed in, you will see this page that has been brought up, and this is basically our home page in which we can see recent designs and circuits, and we will be mostly using circuits. So go ahead and create a new circuit, and you will be met with this workbench. So before we start out with learning about digital electronics, it's important to know the three basic parts that go into digital electronics. So one part of digital electronics are components such as resistors, LEDs, push buttons, and all of these work to control the flow of electrons throughout our circuits. So these are once again components. And then we will also be looking at breadboards, and breadboards simply look like these, and breadboards are reusable platforms for prototyping circuits, and they allow us to create and design things without having to permanently solder them. So they're good because they're cost effective and we don't need to continuously buy new parts. And they also allow the designer, which would be you and me, to see how a circuit is functioning, and it also allows us to measure the electron flow and the voltage, amperage, and resistance. So all of that is essential, and that's why we're using a breadboard. And then lastly, we will be using multimeters, and multimeters simply allow us to measure what's going on. So once again, we can measure voltage, resistance, and amperage using multimeters. So those are the basic components that we will be using, and of course we'll go more in depth as we go forward. So to start out, you guys can go ahead and explore that, and we will continue working through the world of digital electronics later on. Okay, thank you. Bye.